नाउ वी कम टू एसोसिएटिविटी ऑफ रैशनल नंबर। तो पहले हम देखेंगे एसोसिएटिविटी प्रॉपर्टी क्या होती है। तो अभी तक हमने जितनी भी एक्सप्रेशंस पढ़ी, जितनी प्रॉपर्टीज पढ़ी हैं, उन सब में हमने केवल एक ही मैथमेटिकल ऑपरेशन यूज किया है, चाहे वो एडिशन का रहा हो, सब्ट्रैक्शन का रहा हो, डिवीजन का रहा हो या मल्टीप्लिकेशन का, केवल एक ही हमने यूज किया था। अब हम क्या करेंगे कि हमारे एक ही एक्सप्रेशन में दो एडिशन होंगे, या तो दो सब्ट्रैक्शन होंगे, दो डिवीजन और दो मल्टीप्लिकेशन होंगे। अब इसमें हम करेंगे क्या, इसमें हम पैरेंथेसिस का ऑर्डर चेंज करेंगे। जैसे कि मान लो फॉर एग्जांपल इफ आई हैव ए प्लस बी प्लस सी, ओके, so we will be changing this parenthesis and we will see whether the result changes or not. So first here we are adding b and c and then finally adding the result to a। और हम फिर क्या चेक करेंगे, इसका आंसर अगर हमें d मिला, उसके बाद हम इसका पैरेंथेसिस चेंज कर देंगे, a प्लस बी करेंगे प्लस सी करेंगे, हमें मान लो कुछ भी मिला, लेट से हमें d डैश मिला। अब हम देखेंगे क्या, whether the d is equal to d dash, okay, so we will look for it and we'll check। so if that happens to be true, that means d is equal to d dash। अगर ये d is equal to d dash के बराबर होता है तो associativity holds true, otherwise no। okay, so I hope you understand it now। let's see for addition। ओके तो एडिशन के लिए हम कोई एग्जांपल लेते हैं। ओके, सो आई एम टेकिंग एग्जांपल -2/3 प्लस 3/5 प्लस -5/6। ओके, सो आई एम पुटिंग द पैरेंथेसिस for this 3/5 plus -5/6। I'm not solving the whole, okay, so what we'll be doing, we'll be solving first all these operands between these parentheses and then adding the result to -2/3। so when you will solve it, you will get -2/3 plus in parenthesis we'll get -7/30। okay, further when you will solve it, you will get -9/10। okay, now we will change the parenthesis। okay, parenthesis means these brackets। okay, so now we are putting it to -2/3 plus 3/5, we will put the parenthesis and plus -5/6। यहाँ पे हम पहले ये वाला पैरेंथेसिस के अंदर जो है इसको हम सॉल्व करेंगे। इसको सॉल्व करने पे तुम्हारा आएगा -1/15 प्लस -5/15। ओके, तो हमारा फाइनल आंसर क्या आ जाएगा, -9/10। मतलब दोनों केसेस में जो हमें रिजल्ट मिल रहा है वो सेम है। तो हम क्या बोलेंगे कि एडिशन इज एसोसिएटिव फॉर रैशनल नंबर। एडिशन इज एसोसिएटिव फॉर रैशनल नंबर। इसी तरह हम सब्ट्रैक्शन का देखेंगे। नेक्स्ट हम करते हैं सब्ट्रैक्शन। ओके, सब्ट्रैक्शन का भी कोई एग्जांपल लेते हैं एक, और फिर उसके बाद सॉल्व करते हैं। तो यहाँ पे मैं एग्जांपल्स ले रहा हूँ 2/3 माइनस पैरेंथेसिस -2/5 minus 1/5 and then parenthesis close। we will solve first the operands under between these parentheses। so solving it, you will get 2/3 minus -3/5। okay, so when you will solve this, you will get the final answer as -19/15। okay, now again we will change the parenthesis। that means we will first add 2/3 and -2/5 will subtract, sorry, and then the result will be subtracted and we'll subtract -1/5 from this result। solving this, you will get 16/15 in the parenthesis and we will be subtracting 1 by 5 from this result, which will give you 13 by 15. So is our result in both cases same? Here we got 19 by 15, यहाँ पे मैं 13 by 15 लिखा। तो क्या आंसर हमारा सेम है? नो, आंसर हमारा सेम नहीं है। तो हम क्या बोलेंगे कि subtraction is not associative for rational number. Associative for rational number. So similarly we will look for multiplication and division. So let's start. So I am taking 2 by 5 into 3 by 5. So I will first solve this and then 1 by 6. So when you will solve it, you will get minus 6 by 25 in the parenthesis into 1 by 6. So this will give you minus 6 by 150. Okay, so now I will change the parenthesis. So minus 2 5 by 5 will be out. In the parenthesis 3 by 5 into 1 by 6. अब इसको जब हम सॉल्व करेंगे तो हमें मिलेगा minus 2 by 5 into 3 by 30 is equal to minus 6 by 150. So is our result in both cases same? Yes. Here we have got minus 6 by 150. Here also we have got minus 6 by 150. So yes, associative holds true. So yes, associative holds true for multiplication for rational number. Okay, so this is clear. Now we will study associative property for division. Okay, so let's take some example. We'll look for only one example. So I am taking 1 by 2 divided by minus 1 by 3 divided by 2 by 5 in the parenthesis. Okay, so we will solve it. So first 1 by 2 will be same. We'll solve whatsoever is in the parenthesis first. So we know for dividing minus 1 by 3 by 2 by 5, we will multiply it by the reciprocal of 2 by 5. That means we will change the denominator, will interchange the numerator and denominator. So this will get you 5 by 2. Okay, now when you will further solve it, you will get 1 by 2. You can fast forward it if you know it. So you will get 6 minus 5 by 6. Okay, again the same happens, this denominator interchanges. So we get 1 by 2 into 6 by minus 5. This will fetch you 6 by minus 10. Okay, so you will get the answer 6 by minus 10 if you are first dividing minus 1 by 3 by 2 by 5. Now we will change the order to check the associativity. That is 1 by 2 divided by minus 1 by 3 would be in the parenthesis. तो इसको हम पहले सॉल्व करेंगे, फिर we'll solve for 2 by 5. Okay, so solving whatsoever in the parenthesis or bracket, this will be multiplied by 3 by minus 1 parenthesis closed divided by 2 by 5. I am just showing you the whole steps that you need to follow for writing in the exams and all these things. If it's MCQ, you can go by whatsoever steps you want to follow. Okay, so this will give you 3 by minus 2 into 5 by 2 is equal to 15 by minus 4. So are we getting the same results in both cases? In first case we got 6 by minus 10, you may further solve it down, and the second case we got 15 by minus 4. So our results are not same, so which tells us that associativity division of rational number. So here we finish our three main properties.